Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, are you tired of manually creating deals into CRM applications after getting new appointments? Well, it's time to say goodbye to this manual tedious task because in this video, I'm going to show you an automatic deal creation setup into your CRM whenever you get a new booking appointment using a booking application. And we are going to set up this automation with just few clicks without any coding or programming. So let's set up this automation together. So we are going to use an automation tool called as Pabbly Connect for setting up this automation, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and from here you can sign up for free. So guys, I have pasted this link in the description as well, so you can sign up right now and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. After that, you can sign in and you can select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up any automation workflow. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflows as well. So for this purpose, I am going to give it as a name as create deals on getting bookings or appointments. All right. So after giving the names, you can just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. All right. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger is that event which starts a workflow, and the action would be an automated response or the consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, what is happening here, I am using two applications. One is Acuity scheduling and other is ActiveCampaign. So Acuity scheduling is a booking or appointment taking application, and ActiveCampaigns is a marketing CRM tool. Okay. So here we are going to connect them both here in this workflow in such a way that whenever you get a booking from a booking application like Acuity Scheduling, a deal will be created inside the pipeline in ActiveCampaign CRM. So in place of these two applications, you can use any other booking application as well. For example, you can book me, and here in place of ActiveCampaign CRM, you can use Pipedrive as well for creating deals. Okay. So here in the trigger, I'm going to choose the trigger application first, in which the trigger event is going to occur, and that is Acuity scheduling in our case. So your booking application will be your trigger application. Okay. So after selecting, just select the trigger event as new appointment. Okay. After that, click on connect button, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Acuity scheduling. All right, and from this page you have to fill in your credentials to move forward. So let me fill my credentials here, then click on next. And you can see we are getting connected. All right. After that, click on save and send test request button, and it will start showing waiting for the response of the connection. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now you have to manually create an appointment. It will be a dummy appointment, okay, from your appointment scheduling page, and the details of that appointment will be fetched here in this response section. So let me show you. This is my appointment scheduling application, and this is the link of a scheduling page that I have created for taking the bookings. So this is a scheduling page. From here, a customer can see the time slots and book an appointment with us. So here you can see, guys, I have created this scheduling page for a digital marketing agency, and it is providing training of 1 hour for $20. Okay. So from here, customer can choose the date, the day, and the time slot. So I'm choosing this date, February 15th. This is the time. Click on continue. Here you can fill in the details of a dummy customer. So this is the details I'm filling here. Okay, and here I'm clicking on complete appointment, and you can see the appointment is booked on this date and for this time. All right, let's check in our workflow if we got the details of the appointment captured. And here you can see, guys, we have received this data: the first name, last name, phone number, email address, date of appointment, time. Everything got captured here from the scheduling page. Okay, right. So after receiving this data, I want to create a deal in uh, my CRM application. So here is my CRM application. Let me show you the pipeline I have created. This is my pipeline, and here you can create deals. And when you create a deal in any of the stage, by clicking on add a deal, it will ask for the deal title, the deal value, the stage name, the owner's name, okay, and the contact for this deal, okay, and the date. So guys, here you can see we have this action step, and here I'm going to connect with active campaigns. So you can search for active campaigns, okay, and here in the action event I'm going to select create a deal, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key and the URL of the active campaign application. So guys, you will get these details from the settings of ActiveCampaign application. So let me show you that. Here is ActiveCampaign's application, and here on the left hand side panel you can find the settings option. On the bottom side, click on settings. Under settings page, you on the left hand side you will find this developer tab. Click on it. Under developer section you will find the API key right here. You can just click on copy API key, and you have to paste it here. Similarly, you will find this URL as well. So you can just copy this URL and paste it here. But you have to follow these instructions. You have to paste the URL in this format without this leading HTTP address. You can just remove it like this. All right. And after that, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with active campaigns. So here we are connected, and here it started asking for the contact ID. So guys, here whenever you create a deal inside ActiveCampaign, let me show you again, it will ask for a contact related to the deal here in this section. So to get the contact here, first of all, you need to add the contact first in the ActiveCampaign's contact list. Then you can map the contact ID here in this field. So before creating a deal, let's create a contact first. So for that, just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. And here we are going to connect with active campaigns to create a contact first. Okay. So this step should be placed before this step, before creation of deal. Okay. So here in the action event, select create a contact option, then click on connect. From here, now we can use the existing connection. You can see I have already connected with ActiveCampaign. Now all the connections that you make are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application in the same workflow or in a different workflow, you can use your saved connections. For that, you just have to keep this existing connection option selected, and it will show you the list of your saved connections like this. From here, you can select any connection and then click on save one more time, and you will be connected again. Okay. Then here started showing email address, first name, last name, and the phone number. So guys, we got these details from our booking application of our customer right here. So I'm going to use these labels to map the data here. All right, so to map the data, you just have to click here, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find the email address, and you just have to click on it to map it. Similarly, map the first name, last name, and the phone number. Okay. Then after that, click on save and send test request button, and this contact will be created inside ActiveCampaign's application. Okay, so here you can see the contact is created, and here you will find the contact ID as well. Let me show you. When you scroll down, you will find the contact ID here. Now we can use this ID. And one more thing, let me show you guys. here it is asking for the forecasted closure date of the deal as well. So you can provide a closure date because this is an appointment for a particular date and time, so it will be closed on that date and time only. So here you can see we have the date res to date label, in which we got the appointment date in this format and here in this format. But guys, we need to map the date here in different format, and that format is this one, mmddyy. Okay, so I'm going to convert the format of this date that we have received from the first step. Sorry, where is the first step? Okay, so to change the format of this date, we are going to use another feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called date time formatter. So just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will added here between these steps, and from here I'm going to search for date time formatter feature. Select it, and here in the action event select this option, format date only, then click on connect, and then it will ask the date of which the date you want to change the format of. So here is the date time label, here we have the date of the appointment, so I'm going to map this date time label here to change the format. So just click here, and from this first step map this date time label, where it is, here it is. Okay, and here it is asking from which format you have already fetched the date. So we have got the date in this format, you can see YYMMDD and a T in between, then hours, minutes and seconds, and plus 530. So this is the format it is showing us here already. Okay, so this is the same format, you have to keep it as it is. And in which format you want to convert the date? So I want to convert the date in this format, which is mmddyy. Okay, so select this format here, which we have to use here. Okay, so then click on save and send test request button, and the format of the date will be changed like this. Okay, you can see previously the date was like this, now it is changed to this format. Now we have all the data required to create a deal, and now it is time to map the data here in this create a deal step. So first of all, for mapping the contact ID, toggle this map button to on, then erase this field, and here you can see it is not showing the previous steps because we have added 2 more steps between the existing steps. So guys, we need to refresh our connection now. For that to happen, you just have to click on connected button one more time, and from here keep this option selected, then click on save one more time, and your connection will be refreshed. Then you can toggle this button to on, erase this, and from this last step, create a contact step, you can map the contact ID that you got like this. Okay, right, then it will ask for the deal of the title. So to map the deal title, use the first step, and here you will find the appointment type, map it in the title. If you want to provide a description, you can provide it here. Here the currency we are using is US dollars, so I'm putting USD as the code. You can select the pipeline. Right now we have only one pipeline here named as sales flow pipeline. Let me show you that, sales flow, and we have selected the pipeline ID. Owner is the account owner. Here the status of this deal is won open, you can select anyone. Here in the value, you have to provide the deals value from the first step. Here is the price, it is included in the deals value. The stage, you can select that stage, to contact, in contact, or follow up. I am selecting in contact stage. Forecasted closure date you will find from the second step, map it like this. So this is how you can map the required things to create a deal inside this pipeline. Now you can check your connection with ActiveCampaigns by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new deal will be created, and you will find the response here like this. Let us check directly in ActiveCampaigns if we got a new deal here. So let me refresh this page, and here you can see guys, in this in contact stage we got a new deal created named as digital marketing service, And here you can see in the contact section, we got the contact added as dummy 2. This is the deal's value, and these are all the things. For closure date is here. Everything is here. That's how you can create a deal. Okay. So we are done setting up this automation, guys, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, whenever you are going to get a new appointment using your booking application, the deal will be created automatically and the contact will be added automatically inside your CRM. And you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.